James Webb releases 9 amazing new shots from space. The James Webb Telescope has amazed everyone again with its 9 shots of distant galaxies and outer space, revealing new information about the cosmos. The images captured by the most advanced space observatory were recently released, which has again piqued the interest of space enthusiasts and astronomers in understanding more about the distant space. Let's show you some of the most amazing shots captured by Webb's state-of-the-art camera system that was designed to capture incredibly high-quality images of the universe. If you've missed the recent discoveries made by the James Webb, you should definitely check out this video where we talk about one of the groundbreaking discoveries made by the telescope that could hint towards the existence of alien life. We are sure you don't want to miss out on such important information. This image captured by the JWST is of NGC 346, a star-forming region located in the small Magellanic Cloud, a small galaxy that is a satellite of our own Milky Way galaxy. It is a popular target for astronomical observations because it contains a lot of young, hot stars that are still surrounded by the gas and dust from which they formed. In the image, you can see that the spiral arms of galaxy NGC 7496 are full of bubbles and shells with big holes in them. These filaments and holes prove that young stars are giving off energy and, in some cases, blowing out the gas and dust of the interstellar medium surrounding them. Researchers say they are now learning more about how the parts of galaxies that create stars are highly structured. Scientists are now able to get a better look at star formation, which they were not able to see through previous telescopes. Next is this image of a planetary nebula called NGC 5189. NGC 5189 is known for its unique and complex structure. It has a roughly spherical outer shell that is surrounded by several filamentary structures and knots of gas that give it a chaotic appearance. The nebula's overall structure is shaped by the interaction between the expanding gas shell and the surrounding interstellar medium. If you can, the complex structure of the star outbursts as vividly floating colored ribbons through space in the image like the video. Next, the James Webb Telescope has captured this colorful region around Herbig-Haro object HH 505. Herbig-Haro objects are typically found in regions where young stars are surrounded by clouds of gas and dust. As the young star grows and begins to emit powerful winds and radiation, it interacts with the surrounding material, causing it to glow and creating bright, often highly collimated jets of gas that shoot out into the surrounding space. Just look at how amazing the sinus arcs are at the top and bottom of the image. NGC 2440 is a planetary nebula located at a distance of about 4,000 light-years from Earth. It is one of the brightest and most complex planetary nebulae known, and it has been the subject of numerous studies by astronomers. A planetary nebula is a type of emission nebula that is formed when a dying star ejects its outer layers into space, creating a shell of gas and dust that is illuminated by the central star. In the case of NGC 2440, the central star is a white dwarf, a hot and dense remnant of a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. NGC 2440 is notable for its intricate and highly structured appearance, with filaments, knots, and bubbles of gas and dust that are illuminated by the central star. The nebula is also surrounded by a faint halo of gas that extends for several light-years. The James Webb was able to capture a close-up of NGC 2440, providing important insights into the late stages of stellar evolution and the processes that shape the interstellar medium. If you guys still have some questions about the James Webb Telescope, you can always go back and watch this detailed video we made about the Space Observatory that will keep you updated with its launch, purpose, and what is expected from it. The James Webb also captured a close-up image of M27. You can see a flurry of glowing knots of gas that appear to be streaking through space in this close-up image. M27 is notable for its distinctive dumbbell shape, which is caused by the 2 lobes of gas and dust that are illuminated by the central star. The nebula is also surrounded by a faint halo of gas that extends for several light-years. M27 is one of the brightest and most famous planetary nebulae in the sky, and it has been the subject of numerous studies by astronomers. Webb also captured emerging stellar nurseries and individual stars in the Carina Nebula that were previously obscured. It also got one of the clearest pictures of Neptune rings after over 30 years. The first ever picture of Neptune was taken by NASA's Voyager 2 in 1989. Webb captured the best image of this faraway planet's rings since the Voyager 2 sailed by it in 1989 and shed new light on the ice giant. It was also able to capture 7 of Neptune's 14 known moons. Next, we have this image of the Cartwheel and its 2 smaller partner galaxies on a backdrop of numerous other galaxies captured by Webb's powerful infrared sight. The Cartwheel Galaxy is a spectacular sight in the Sculptor constellation, about 500 million light-years away. Much like that of the wheel of a wagon, its appearance is the result of an intense event, a high-speed collision between a large spiral galaxy and a smaller galaxy not visible in this image. Last but not least, we have this beautiful shot of a lush and highly detailed landscape, the iconic Pillars of Creation. The image shows massive gold, copper, and brown columns standing in the middle of the cosmos, illuminated by the light of thousands of stars. The Pillars of Creation can be found in the Eagle Nebula, which is 6,500 light-years away from Earth in the Milky Way galaxy, and it do look spectacular. Outer space is filled with beautiful structures, and now, because of Webb, we are able to get a good look at the amazing creations of the universe. Now astronomers are a step closer at discovering how the cosmos came into being and how it got filled with numerous structures, many of which still remain unknown. Which of the images Webb took did you find most striking, and why? Let's see what you guys have to say about the shots taken by the Webb in the comments below. JWST has solved many mysteries, but it has also created some more. The recent discovery the telescope made around an exoplanet was not something astronomers were expecting. If you want to know everything you need to know of the discovery of the alien life, you should watch this video. We'll catch you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. CET. Until then, stay tuned.